So, good afternoon, Ma'am MJ. I'm Joseph Tijoka Jr. And tonight, I'll be explaining my code, my semi-final activity, which is the Python Django, activity 3. So, let's go first to my view.py, views.py. So first, let's have the import selection. So this is the import selection, and let's go to the define student function. So first is get all student, same command sa terminal, get all student from the database. Then template loader that get template to tukmali send to student list.html, which is akong template. Then loads the HTML file, HTML sa akong list, and sends context. So this is the data to the template. Then return HTTP response template.render context express will display to browser. So ma-display siya sa akong browser, so let's check later. Then akong details function, which is this. So first is get student. So hindi siya naka-all, this is the specific. So itong makuha ni specific, so which is 1 lang, which is the ID. So if ang student dili siya makita or di siya exist, so it will return to student not found. Then basically template sends to the details HTML student template to the database, return HTTP response template render. Then let's go to the define update. First, same process, get the specific data, which is the ID, return student not found if the student or the object does not exist. So if request method is post was submitted na, gets the if mag-process of gets ang mga updated nga information sa student, which is the student ID, first name, last name, course, year level, then save, same process or same command sa terminal, which is ma-save siya. Then return redirects to the student, so let's go back to the student list page. Then define delete function, same process, student object get, so specific pa rin 1. Let's get the ID, return if not exists is student not found. If request method submitted form and student is deleted, return direct to the list page. Then template loader that get template student delete it student HTML, so context student shows the confirmation. If di siya ma-post or submitted, it shows the confirmation page. Then the main function, which is the display. So the main function, which is this our template or the HTML file, display the home page sa atong website or sa atong browser. So let's go to my templates, which is this. So I have delete student HTML, main, master, student, details, student list, and student update student. So first, let's go to the main. So which is this? Si master HTML. This is my base or the main layout template. So this is the head, then end with display the home page with student, attendance, and blank. Shows the link student for the page. Then let's go to my main student, display the home page, shows a link sa student list, student. Then let's go to my student list, So first, nakalist siya sa student ID, first name, last name, course, year, liver, actions. So ang actions kanina siya, actions, delete. And yung mga date sa akong duha ka data nga student, which is Rai, and just execute. So this is the student in student list. So manang giya. Then href, so update. If i-trigger ang delete, so pwede ta maka-edit sa student. If i-trigger ang delete, so the student will be automatically deleted. Then let's go to the student details. This page shows the full of information sa student, which is this student ID, course level, so details of the student list, first name, then the last name. Let's go to the update student. So this is the first, then the title, student update, and the header ones, update student, sends data to the server. Form method, post, sends data to the server. Then valued student ID. So if mag-update tag student, for this one is for the security purposes na siya, for the protection sa student, or the student information. Then save change, it updates the student in the database after ta mag-update sa student information. So then the button save change or i-cancel. So the delete student, are you sure you want to delete? So if ang delete ma-trigger siya, then button is yes, cancel. So let's try to edit. Sige, 3 there is si Kyle Fernando BSCS. save change. So, na-update na siya.